Good morning, friends. I am going to get really raw with you today. So if you scare easily, just turn this off now. Just don't even bother. As I'm sitting here preparing for my courses that I've had on my laptop for many, many years, I use some of them and some that haven't been shared with the world yet. So I'm preparing to do that, get my courses out there because they've been so helpful for so many of my clients over the past 25 years I've been in the business of mental health and personal development and energy work and all that good stuff. So as I sit here, like any other day, any normal person, right? And as I'm preparing my courses, you'll see outside a big tractor that's coming in to dig our septic field before we sell our house. But that's not how my day started. Let me show you how my day started. Like I said, I'm getting raw, so if you're gonna get grossed out, then turn it off now. But the house is getting packed up to move. We got boxes everywhere. I didn't wake up to the trucks in the front yard. I woke up to my dog's diarrhea mess all over the house. Well, when you're packing up to move, you get very creative on how to take care of things. And so here's how we did it. I hope this helps you. I cut the rug. I just cut the rug. Isn't there a saying, cut the rug? Anyway, I cut the rug, right? That's how you clean shit up, literally, from a dog mess when you have boxes all over the place and you're trying to work and get creative and keep flowing, right? And you have someone coming up to dig your septic field in the front yard because guess what? That's gone kaput. And not only was I sitting here getting ready to go live with you because I thought that would be kind of fun to share with you what's coming up and share with you what it looks like to just have a normal life in the midst of success and fun and creativity. As I sat here and I thought, okay, let's do this. Let's go live. Haven't gone live in a while. Haven't posted a video in a while. I found not just one, but two ticks crawling up on my pants. I knew they were hard to get off the skin. I did not know they were that hard to get off the clothes. So yes, I have changed my clothes. But what a morning. What's your morning like? Are you letting it sweep you away and throw you under the bus? Or are you gonna get back up, go change your clothes, put on a smile and get to work? And I'm gonna get to work. In the midst of trucks and septic fields being cleaned out, I'm going to get my creative juices flowing here for you so I can present to you all this work that I do that is meant for you. So watch out for it. It's coming, especially on Insight Timer. A lot of my courses are on Insight Timer, meditations, live classes. So catch me there. Keep an eye out. Remember, show up for yourself. Even when you think there's obstacle after obstacle after obstacle, keep showing up for yourself. Bye for now.